Namaskar everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Basic Mathematics for Standard 3 to Standard 10. Yesterday, I solved the question paper Periodic Assessment 2 of my school, Standard 7 and 6 already been solved and uploaded into my YouTube channel. If you are interested, you will go to my YouTube channel and watch and match your answer. Today, I will start a new topic for standard 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the topic? The topic is Roman numerals. Roman numeral. The topic is Roman numeral. Okay. You are understanding by the what? Roman numerals. That means this system generally apply in Rome. So from Rome, this term is written Roman numerals. So we know generally few numbers to marking any kind of a table, their names, different type of questions. We generally found some Roman numerals. Everybody knows, but we do not we did not enter into the details how it is written in this condition. Okay, suppose you will see in question number 4, Roman A, Roman 2, Roman 3, Roman 4, IV, Roman 5, Roman 6, Roman 7. Okay, in this way, so these numbers are called Roman numbers. So generally, most of the people, 99% people know the Roman numerals from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. Okay, we use in different cases when we count or when we make any list, we use 1 to 10 or up to 20. So we are familiar with these numbers, but except these, besides these, there are different kinds of Roman numerals. So how Roman numerals is written? So there have some rules to find out to write the Roman numerals. Okay, so I am telling by compare. Suppose to the left side it is Indian. Indian means it is called Indian numerals or it is called Hindu Arabic. It is called Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, and these are called Romans. Roman numerals. These are Roman numerals. If you learn by comparing, then automatically you will understand the topic. Suppose you know 1 to 20 or 1 to 30. Generally everybody knows the Roman numerals of 1 to 20, 1 to 30. But apart from these, how will write the Roman numerals? Suppose 425. So generally we do not know the process how to write it into Roman numerals. So there have some rule. At first I am writing some Roman numerals that will, by using those Roman numerals, a large number, a large Hindu-Arabic number or Indian number can be formed. Okay, so how? At first I am writing some Roman numerals. Suppose it is written as V. Okay, then X, it is 10. Then L, it is 50. Then C, it is 100. Then D, it is 500. Then M, it is 1000. So by applying these Roman numerals, you can easily make a large Roman numerals. Okay, so there is some rule. Rule number 1, at first listen to me very carefully. When you will construct any Roman numerals from Hindu-Arabic to Roman numerals, some rules should be followed. What are the rules? Number 1, no Roman numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. Suppose you cannot write x, that means 40. X 10, that means 40. It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because in Roman numerals, they have said that no Roman numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. So how to write the Roman numerals of 40? There have a rule. I am coming one by one. Okay. Next, number 1, no Roman numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. Number 2, V, L and D. V means in Hindu-Arabic 5, L means 50, D means 500. They never be subtracted. Okay, so these Roman numerals never be subtracted. Why? Suppose 10. So 10 means X and V. It is wrong. Why? 10 have a particular value X. 10 have a particular value X and V have a particular value V. Is a particular value 5. So why you use to find the 5, 10 minus 5? Because it has an individual value. V means 5, X means 10. So it is not necessary to write that 5 means 10 minus 5. Okay, so for this reason, they never be subtracted. V, L and D never be subtracted. Okay, so this is rule number 2. So these are the basically rule number 2. And sometimes you will observe a bar, a line above the Roman numerals. It means 1000 times. It means 1000 times. Suppose M bar means M is 1000. So 1000 into 1000. What is the value of M bar? 1000 M and bar means 1000 times. Okay. Next, rule number 3. In Roman numerals, suppose in Hindu-Arabic system, I am writing, suppose 15. So how the Indians written it? 10 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 7 plus 8, or any kind of. When you explain 15, then we add to the right side. We write to the right side, but also in Hindu-Arabic system, Roman numerals, suppose 7. 7 means nearest 7. Whose value nearest 7? V and 2y 2y. That means at the time of addition, Romans অর্থাৎ the people of Rome they add to the right side, but there is a single question and single method, that is procedure. That means suppose 40, okay, 40. Now I am writing 40 x. I have said it is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because I have used 4 times, but in Roman numerals they have said no Roman numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. So I have repeated x 4 times, so it is wrong. So there is some technique. What is the technique? Now 40 is nearest 50. L means 50. So 40, the value 40 is nearest 50. If you subtract 10 from 50, then you will get 40. Now 50 minus 10 equal to 40. But this condition in Hindu-Arabic condition, how will you write it in Roman numerals? In this case, at the time of subtraction, very carefully, very important topic it is. In Roman numerals, when some number is subtracted from a large number, they write the subtrahend before the large number. That means L is 50 in Roman numerals. Now 10 will be subtracted, then we will write before L. That means XL. Do you understand what I am telling? I want to say that in Roman numerals, when a smaller value is subtracted from a larger value, it is written before the large value. Okay? But what we do 50 minus 10. So we are writing to the right side 50 minus 10, that means 40. But Roman numerals, they write the subtrahend before the long number, before the large number. Understand? This is the technique to write. Though x is not repeated more than 3 times. So how can you write 40? That means 40 value is nearest 50. So if you subtract 10 from 50, then you will get 40. So this rule will be followed in all cases. Okay, I hope I will understood you. Now, if you do practice some examples, then it will be clear. Now I am writing some Hindu-Arabic number, that means Indian system. Suppose 25, 38, 45, 125, 450, 1000, 325, 126. Now, very easy. When you will learn about Roman numerals, you at first write the value of Roman numerals. V means 5, right here. L means 8. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. M means 1000. At first write the value of these Roman numerals to the right side. Then automatically you will understand how these processes apply. Okay, now at first 25. But which rules I have discussed at first, that will be keep into your memory. Okay, no Roman numerals cannot be repeated more than 3 times. 1 is never subtracted. 1, V and D, L never be subtracted. 1 is also never be. No. Only 1 is subtracted from X and V. Therefore I have like this. 1 and 1 is subtracted from V and X only. This is the fourth rule. Only 1 can be subtracted from V and X. Suppose 4 I 9 Ix. Okay. I have forgotten this rule, so I have discussed. Okay, so only 1 is subtracted from V and X only. Now 25. That rules I have discussed before solving the problems. At first you should keep the rules into your mind, then apply. Now 25 means 20 nearest 10, so Ax x 2 times x, then 5 v. Now x v is 25. When you will practice, at first you will write the value of the Roman numerals v, x, l, c, d, m. Okay, and look, then automatically when you will practice after few times, then automatically you will understand that will be the process. Okay, next 38. So 38 means nearest 40 is not 38. So x is repeated 3 times. X 38 v triple I. Now I is repeated 3 times only, x is repeated 3 times only. Okay, so this is the rule. Next 45. Look, 45. At first you have learned how to write 40 L 50 x minus 5 add. Okay, 40 is written XL and 5 will be added, so it is written to the right side. Next 125. So 100 means C, and 25 you have done just a few moments ago. X v 125 C x v. Next 450. Now which is nearest? 450. Which Roman numerals is nearest? 450, 500. So at first 500 write 500D. Now subtract C. That means subtract 100. So 400. Because you cannot write C 400. You cannot write it because no Roman numerals cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So at first write nearest 450, 500. So D, then subtract 100 C, then L, CDL 450. CDL 450. Okay. Next 1000 means M. Next 325. Now 100 means C, so C 3 times can be repeated, then 25 x v. Okay, so these are the basic rules to convert the Hindu Arabic number into Roman numerals. Okay, so in the next time I will give some problems on the basis of this chapter, Roman numerals. Basically the students of standard 3 of in CBSE standard 3, 4, 5, 6 and sometimes in standard 7 they have included the topic Roman numerals. How to, and listen to me, Roman numerals have no place value. Suppose 299, 9 ones, 9 tens, 200. So how we will explain 200 plus 90 plus 9? But in Roman numerals, suppose 125, C, X, It has no place value. Keep it into your mind. In Hindu Arabic system, it can be written an expanded form. That means it has a place value. It has a place value. It is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore, etc. Okay, but in Hindu Arabic system, in Roman numerals, there have no any place value. Okay, so if you like my class, you please share to your friends and to the another groups. And I am coming to the next time for mensuration chapter. Okay, to the next classes I will give the class on the basis of mensuration. Basically, typical type of problems, how do you solve this?